Yeah, elle veut danser, elle veut bouger, yeah. Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the
Hello
closet.
everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is the 33rd day of my 100 days of YouTube videos and I'm very happy. I would love it if you please subscribe and become part of my YouTube family, okay? So today I am going to be styling a trash bag with thigh-high boots. Yeah, I know, like it's just been in my head, y'all. So this is the trash bag I'm going to be styling. Yeah, so what I have in my head, I hope it like turns out like that, hopefully. So I'm going to take this trash bag. I don't know if this one is long enough though, but let me see. Okay, so all you need is a trash bag, obviously. Okay, let me see. Okay. um, I don't know. Don't tell you. Okay, just a minute. Okay, yeah, so this is the trash bag. Yeah, why does this one not have opening? Like, this one is weird. See, oh man. Hopefully what I have in my head turns out right, because this one, man, it's not straight. I thought it was straight. This is actually a challenge for me. This is a challenge! Okay, but then just open it. So this is what it is. It's not straight like the bottom and top. So we have to create a neck. We have to create a neck. So yeah, we have to actually create a neck. I'm thinking of something. Okay. So oh shit, I have to cut this. And do I have to? Okay, yeah. I think I'll just. Okay. So this is it, like this. That's it, right? So I think I'll just make like a little opening here. Like I'm not going to cut it off. I'm just going to like put the scissors in like so. Yeah, like this. And then make a little opening. This is going to be our neck. I hope I know what I'm doing. Well, it's fashion. It's fashion. Okay. Yeah, it's opening small. That's okay. So yeah. So this is it. Sorry. Like this. So I'm going to cut off this part. Um, wow, this is actually like not as easy as I thought it would be. This is not what I had in my head at all. Oh wait, I think I have something now. Okay, maybe I'll just like make here wide too. Okay, it's three openings actually. It's three openings now, so you know what? I'm going to cut everything. I'm going to cut everything. This is what I had in my mind. I'm going to cut everything. And then wait. Let me leave here first. This one. Wait. Let me just like cut here a little bit. Like maybe just maybe, yeah, I think I'll make here a V. like a V. So I'll just cut it like this. Yeah, like that. Just trying to be creative with the trash bag. Okay, yeah. So I think this will be the neck. Let me try it on and come back. Okay. So this big part, I'm going to put my whole body into it, and then this is where my neck is going to go. Hopefully, some more space. Fuck. Okay. Okay, we are getting somewhere. Let me take off my bra. Whew. Like, I didn't know this was. I already had what I wanted to do in my head. But who doesn't love challenges? Who? Okay. Okay, the front. So the front, I have to like fold it. Let me get a belt. I don't know if the black and black go. Like it's supposed to be like a leather black, right? I'm not feeling it with this belt. I think we'll just use this one. Okay, this one is not so bad. I think this one is okay. Yeah, this is definitely giving trash and sexy. Why do I like to like? I don't know. Like a touch, like a touch. Like, we gotta trash this out. What you doing, girl? Huh, baby? Thank you so much for watching, and please also subscribe for more fun videos like this. And also leave a comment letting me know what you think. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Let them know who got the crown, girl. Who does it like you do? Always keep it hundo when you move. You don't really want it.